Welcome to today's YouTube tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to generate a random number, round, and add to it. First, create a variable for your number and connect it to a text field where you want to display your number. You can change the format of your number and choose how many decimals it has or what symbol is used as a separator. Let's create the scripts for the buttons. First, we want to generate a random negative number with decimals. Open the button script with a double click. Set your number variable to a random integer between your desired negative values and add a random fractional part to it. For the random positive number, do the same, but choose positive values as the boundaries. To generate a random number with no fractional part, simply leave this code block away. For adding a value to your number, get the code block from the math section of the script tree and add a value to your variable. Search for the rounding block to round up or down or to a decimal. Try out your buttons in the preview. In the video description, you can find links to our template page, where you can download the project file and the corresponding article on our help page. Thank you for watching.